What? You to buy a home theater? Well, guess what? You don't buy a home theater. You buy a home theater experience, or you basically buy your dream. And to buy this dream or to buy this home cinema experience, there are three things that you need to know. And these are nothing but the three C's of the ultimate home cinema experience. Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Touchwood Automations. And like always, in this particular video, I am going to help you make better, well-informed and correct decisions when it comes to buying anything and everything in home technology industry. Now, home theater for long has been seen as a luxurious, system or a possession. But guess what? Today, it's not just about that. It's more about your functional use. It can be of adding value to your own house. It can speak about your taste, your personality. It can also mean to basically spend some time with your close loved ones. It can also mean about creating memories with them. And when we are doing all these things, what you need is you need a great home cinema experience. And today we are going to talk about three C's about creating that home cinema experience. Now, before I jump into the first C, let me tell you one scenario. I was stuck at Istanbul airport, and very few people over there who were talking English. So I was in a foreign country, was unaware as to what should I do. My flight had a layover, and I had no idea as to what is the next step. And that time I wished that should there have been some sort of handout or an easy to look at a step by step guide. It would have helped me to get through the process properly, because I spent more than 6 hours figuring out what to do, and then eventually I managed to do things by looking around and by talking to people who could rarely understand English. Now I know many of you have gone through similar challenges, probably not at airport but somewhere else, wherein you always wished that, hey, you know what, if at all I had that roadmap clear, or if at all I had that step by step manual ready for me, I would have done this so easily. Now imagine when you're operating a home theater system, if you're not aware of how the connections are made, if you don't have a step by step guide of how to operate, you are going to be in a big trouble, my friend. Because it's an electronic system at the end of the day. It is bound to fail someday. It is bound to attract some service call. And you would know that these things would require you to give attention as well. Now, when you are giving attention, it's not about just asking someone to come and taking care of it. Because when you do that, people can take you for a ride. So that's why having some knowledge to your end as to what is the connections done, how are they done, is your right. So make sure to utilize this right when you're buying a home theater system. Make sure to get a flowchart kind of thing written, or a diagram kind of a connection diagram drawn on a single paper, along with a step-by-step guide on the backside of it. Because these things would actually help you understand how the products are connected with each other, and tomorrow if something fails, you would be in a position to figure that thing out by yourself. Connections is very, very, very important to understand in a home cinema experience. And I know for a fact that many people, with that curiosity and excitement to watch that movie on that home theater, you don't really pay attention to the connections. But try to do that so that your experience of home cinema is not compromised anywhere, and you would get the best out of it. Now, the second C is again very, very important. And I always say this to my customers, that when you're buying a home theater, you're not just really buying products or equipment, and rather it does not even matter what products you buy, because the real magic of creating that home cinema experience lies only and only in the calibration of the system. Now, what do I mean by calibration? Well, calibration is basically fine-tuning the settings that are available in all the products that are connected together to form that home theater system. It can be your projector, it can be your TV, it can be your Tata Sky, it can be your amplifier, it can be your woofer, subwoofer, anything. basically any device which has got a setting inside it needs to be fine-tuned in a manner so that it can deliver the best possible output. Now, do you need to know that? Probably not. You don't need to know the calibration, because there are people who have done like more than thousands or 10,000 of installations by which they have got a little expert in calibrating it. So you can hire an expert who is a calibration specialist to calibrate your system, and he or she can do the best job of getting the desirable output from your system. And that exactly is the second C of your ultimate home cinema experience. That is calibration. Before we jump into the third one, let me know if these two are something that you can relate to. And if you do, make sure to hit a like to this particular video. And for those of you who have already started to build curiosity or are started to, think on these lines, make sure to tell us more about it in the comments below. Also, calibration by a traditional meaning means that you are taking a measurement of a device and comparing it with a relatable or a trackable or a reference product which is doing the same job. And what we do when we do the calibration is basically we understand the experience of your system that has been delivered, and we try to take it as close as possible to the desired experience that should come out from any home theater system. And that calibration is done by doing some fine tuning in the settings. It may not necessarily be just playing around with certain things, but it is all about relating what you are experiencing with something that you have been already, you have it at the back of your mind. Like, for instance, when you play a song which you have been listening constantly, you know it thoroughly. When you're watching a movie 10 times, you know that, okay, after this scene, this is what is going to happen. But we just don't look into that. We get into the fine details about how the color composition has to be, how the saturation has to be, how the output in terms of the sound has to be, which speaker should deliver what sound, and is it coming out rightly in that particular dB level. So all these things need to be done in the calibration stage, and you need a professional calibration specialist to do this job. Okay, now that's the second C, as I said. The third C is very, very exciting, because some of you have already experienced this. Now, we have all been surrounded by so much of information that we make our decisions based on these bits and pieces of information, and later on we either regret or we feel bad, or we feel that, okay, you know what, if at all I had known this, I would have done it likewise. And when you are buying home theaters worth lakhs of rupees, you don't want to go into that regret phase. You don't want to go into that phase wherein you feel that, okay, I should have, asked someone, or I should have consulted someone. Because guess what? The very important C in creating that ultimate home cinema experience, which is the third C, is consultation. You need someone to guide you with the right choice of cables, with even the diagrams of cables as to where the equipments have to be in a home theater room. Someone who can come on site to help your electrician or your other agencies understand what all things are coming. Then you need someone to help you select the product, to procure the product, and again you need someone to make all the connections and calibration. So when you need so many other auxiliary services along with buying the products, you need a consultant who can do this for you. Many people have been under the notion that buying home theater is just buying boxes. But guess what? It's not about just moving boxes here and there. It's about providing this on-site or off-site support to you, your team, your family. Anybody who is going to be a part of that system or that experience needs to know all these things. And that consultation is nothing but all of this only. So when you're asked to pay extra for it, do feel free to pay for it, because that person will be providing that consultation to you. Now, obviously, how much to pay, you have to decide the cap. I may not be the right person for it, but yes, for those of you who have been using our consultancy services like the T20 or Home Run, I know they have given us amazing responses, and they have already experienced that the first C of ultimate home cinema experience is been achieved by them. So for those of you who are yet to do that, make sure to do it by using the link in the description, because I'm going to be dropping that link for all of you. and let us try to get over this first hurdle of consultation so that you can move on to the next two C's to create that ultimate home cinema experience, that is your calibration and connection. So that's it from my end, guys. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Dachur Automations, will see you all in my next video. Until then, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing to our channel. Thank you.